Concept of division. Now let's see how is division and subtraction related. Division is repeated subtraction. Do you know what is subtraction? Yes, subtraction is taking away a number from another number. Like we did in the case of rows. We had seen in the rows example that division was also taking away a group of objects from a number of objects. We had taken 5 roses twice from 10 roses, isn't it? So, can division be told as repeated subtraction? First of all, what does repeated subtraction mean? It means taking the objects away till there are no objects left. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Here we have 15 marbles and we need to divide it by 3. So as we have seen earlier, we have to make as many groups of 3 marbles as possible. It means how many times we can take 3 marbles away from 15 marbles. Let's make the group of 3 marbles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 groups. We have 5 groups of marbles. Let's start the subtraction. We have total 15 marbles in 5 groups. Each group has 3 marbles. Let's take one group away. How many marbles we took away? Yes, we took away 3 marbles. And how many are left? We will subtract 3 from 15. We get 12 marbles. Therefore, 12 marbles are left. Now let's take second group away. Again, we took 3 marbles away. Therefore, subtracting 3 from 12, we get 9. Now, we have 9 marbles left. Let's take the third group away. We took away the third group. As we can see, there are 6 marbles left. Let's subtract 3 from 9. We get 6 marbles. Now, we will take away the fourth group. We again took 3 marbles away, leaving 3 marbles. We will subtract 3 from 6. We get a result of 3 marbles. Let's take fifth group away. We again took 3 marbles away. Let's subtract it from 3. Subtracting 3 from 3, we get a 0. How many times did we subtract 3 from 15? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We subtracted it 5 times. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now you understood why division is repeated subtraction? So, we can say if multiplication is repeated addition, then division is repeated subtraction. And why can we say that? Because division is inverse of multiplication. Now let's take another example. We have 30 marbles here. You would be wondering what we have to do here. Yes, we will divide 30 by 6. It means how many times we can take 6 marbles away from 30. Let's make group of 6 marbles each. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 groups, each having 6 marbles. Let's start the subtraction process. How many marbles do we have? We have 30 marbles in 5 groups. Each group has 6 marbles. Now let's take the first group away. How many marbles did we take away? Yes, we have taken 6 marbles away. How many are left? 6 subtracted by 30, we get 24 marbles. Therefore, 24 marbles are left. Let's take the second group away. How many marbles did we take away? Yes, we took 6 marbles away. Therefore, we will subtract 6 from 24. Subtracting 6 from 24, we get 18. Therefore, 18 marbles are left now. Let's take the third group away. We have taken 6 marbles away. Let's subtract it from 18. 6 subtracted by 18 is 12. Now what should be our next step? Yes, we will take the next group away. Now what should we do? How many marbles we have taken away? We have taken 6 marbles away. So how many marbles are left? We will subtract 12 from 6, that is 6 marbles are left. Now let's take the last group away. We have taken the last 6 marbles away. Now we will subtract it. 6 minus 6 is 0. How many times have we subtracted 6 from 30? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have subtracted 6 5 times from 30. Therefore, 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now you have understood the concept of division and its relationship between subtraction and multiplication. Happy learning!